Fish. In this video we're going to look at ways you can do bulk upload of images to save time. We're going to use the area of Wilderness Explorers for this demo. So if we come along here to the pending area, we'll see that Wilderness already have a number of images ready for organizing and editing. So what you can do is you can edit all images at one go, but because we have a lot here, we're just going to select a few. I want to edit them at the same time. So where this is useful is where you actually have a group of images that you want to select the same categories, tags or titles. So it could be that you have a lot of images of the same room type, or you have a lot of images of the same destination. So let's pretend, for instance, these 4 images are all very similar. We're going to edit them all. Now, what happens is we're going to make some changes and then we're going to click Save rather than Publish. So what Save does is it saves the changes we've made but keeps the images in the pending folder so that we can then go back and re-edit them and make little changes and then finally publish them. So let's say these images are all room type B, hotel A, Guyana. We're going to select the owner as myself because these don't apply to the other hotels that are listed here. The country is Guyana. We're going to put them in the accommodation category, and we're going to put them in the interior category. And we're going to call this room type A as a tag, just to show you. Then we can add all the copyright information. This image belongs to Hotel X in Guyana and can be used copyright free. Okay, then we're going to save all those. If all the images were exactly okay with those details, you could then publish them straight away. But if you wanted to then make slight changes to some of them because the title wasn't quite correct or the categories or tags weren't quite correct, you can now go back into pending because you just saved them and you'll see them here again. And then we can just go in one by one and the title will be there, the categories, the tag and the copyright, but then maybe that one isn't, you want to take a category off that, you want to change something to the copyright, or you want to change something to the title, like this is the bathroom image. And then what you do is you publish it because now it's ready to go live. Then you go back to pending and you can do the same with the next image that was part of the last edit. And you don't want the room type on that one, and you want to take the tag off that one, but the rest is all the same, and then you publish that. So I hope that gives you an idea of how you can bulk edit and organize quite a few images at the same time that are very similar. As you see, they've then come into, these 2 have then come into the live area. If you've got any questions, do get in touch.